Welcome. Today we're going to talk about user management. Remember that only administrators can access this. First, we'll log into the system, and then, either via the menu on the left or on the main page itself, we'll choose the user management option. The page we're looking at now will open. We'll start by showing you the search feature, where you can type in the initials you'd like to search for, either in upper or lowercase, and the search results will automatically open. Still on the search feature, we can also make a more detailed filter of our search by clicking on this option. A box will open where we can make the desired refinements. For example, we can select to search by username in ascending or descending order, by first or last name, also in ascending or descending order. We can also refine this search by the type of user profile. As we can see, we can search for students, administrators, teachers, or parents. If we click on the Clear button, then all the refinement we have just done will be deleted. But if we click on the Close button or even on the X located in the top right corner, the search refinement box will be closed and the desired result will be shown on the screen. For each user profile, we can edit the information. Selecting the Edit option on the screen will open the form for that user with the data we can edit. We can also choose an image for that profile, indicating the location on our device, as shown in this example, where the image file to be uploaded is located. We can also enable or disable that particular profile. Next, we have the buttons to cancel the changes we've just made, reset that record, or save the changes. Likewise, for each user registration, we can delete the profile by clicking on the button as shown on the screen. If we select this option, an information box will open so that we can be sure of the procedure we are about to do. We can also add more users to our C3 microcloud via user management. Just click on the Add button as shown. Selecting this option will open a form, as we can see on the screen, so that we can fill in the details of the profile we are going to register, such as first name, last name, username, password, password confirmation, the type of profile we are registering, gender, email, telephone, user ID, date of birth, and the option to choose an image, as we did in the previous example. Then click on the Save button, as shown on the screen. That's it. Now our new user has just been created and added to our C3 microcloud. The user management option also allows us to import or export data. As shown on the screen, clicking on the Import and Export button will open a box. In this box, we will have the following options: download a template, import data, or export. Let's start with the template example. Your C3 microcloud has a template, which is an Excel spreadsheet in CSV format. We'll click on the Download button, as indicated on the screen. This file will be downloaded to your device. We're going to open this file. It will contain example information on how to add, how to register, and how to insert this information into this spreadsheet. Here we have an example spreadsheet, already containing loaded data. Next, we'll show you how to import data. Using the Import option, we will upload a spreadsheet in CSV format. By clicking on the button as indicated on the screen, we will indicate where on our device this spreadsheet is. Remember that it must be in CSV format. Now we have the information that this spreadsheet is being imported and loaded into your C3 microcloud, and that's it. All the data contained in that spreadsheet has been loaded onto your device. As already mentioned, we also have the option of exporting the data, i.e., for all the users registered in your C3 microcloud, you can generate an Excel spreadsheet in CSV format with all this data. Just click on the Export button, and this spreadsheet will be automatically generated. And here is the spreadsheet that was automatically generated by your C3 microcloud. Critical Links thanks you for your attention.